tube removal needs, Tritorc presents. The Tube Spinner, Pneumatic Tube Removal Machine. A purpose-built system whose design prioritizes speed of operation, stability, and ease of use. Offering high tube removal speeds, the machine sets itself apart from conventional methods of tube extraction. Working in conjunction with other proven industry standard tools made by Tritorc, this machine forms the core of the tube removal system. Using tools such as Pine Jenny-style tube spears, double pull adapters, and pneumatic impact wrenches, one can prepare the tube for further processing. A reliable tube extraction tool can now use its strong pulling force to extract the tube, and allow the mounting of the Tube Spinner pneumatic tube removal machine. With the preparation work completed, the Tube Spinner pneumatic tube removal machine can now be used to extract the tube. A machine with tool steel pulling rolls powered by two high-torque generating pneumatic motors allows various tube sizes to be accommodated and extracted with ease. A well-built system, ruggedized for on-field applications offering rapid tube removal solution, the Tube Spinner pneumatic tube removal machine. Think solution. Think Tritorc.